Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Mac. Currently, the native Mac version of Fortnite is not supported, so we'll focus on cloud gaming. This is the most reliable way to enjoy the game on your Apple device. You'll need a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed, to ensure a smooth experience. Let's dive into the best options available. The primary method involves using cloud gaming services. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a leading option, offering access to your Epic Games library. There are different tiers, including a free one with session limits and paid subscriptions for extended playtimes and better performance. Another service to consider is Xbox Cloud Gaming, which also supports Fortnite through a browser. Researching these platforms will help you choose the best fit for your needs. Once you've selected a cloud gaming service, the next step is to create an account and download their client application if required. Then, you'll link your existing Epic Games account to the cloud platform. This allows you to access your Fortnite progress and purchases. Before jumping into a match, take a moment to adjust your in-game settings. Lowering some graphics options can significantly improve your frame rate and overall responsiveness, even on a powerful Mac. For the best experience, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 50 megabits per second download speed, and consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to minimize latency. If you encounter lag or visual issues, try reducing the in-game resolution or graphics quality settings further. Most cloud services also offer performance settings within their client, which you can tweak to optimize your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.